Good morning, guys. Welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you a day in my office. So today lang, it's going to be a bit different kasi merong konting ganap sa office namin today. Okay? Let's go! Okay guys, so we're here right now at Ortigas. So dito located ang ating office. Hi Manong. So we have our own parking. Buti na lang kasi alam naman natin kung gaano kamahal ang mga parking rates sa mga business districts here in Metro Manila. So we'll just walk papunta sa ating office. Ayan guys, so we are now walking along F. Ortigas Jr. Avenue. Yung mga matatagal na dito sa Ortigas, this is also known as Emerald Avenue. So we have here Strata 2000 on the right. Ayan guys, so this is our building. This is where our office is located. So tawid tayo guys. So again, we are located at F. Ortigas Jr. Avenue. So it's very early in the morning, kaya walang sasakyan, walang traffic from both directions. Okay. Guys, that is our building. So papasok tayo dun sa door, meron nilang usual na security check. So, babalik ako sa inyo later. Okay? Ayan, may guard na sa door. Hi sir! We're now at the 5th floor, and this is Sir Kaniel. Hi, Sir Kaniel! Say hello to the vlog! This is our reception area. Wala pa si Ma'am Rose. Entering our floor. So dito lang kailangan nyo ng key card. Okay? Authorized ako. Immediately when you enter, you'll see our pantry. And this is our office. There's Ma'am Janet from Panda Express and Ma'am Lala from Yoshinoya. So let me give you a quick office tour. So this room is the room of my boss. So he's not here right now. This table is for Ma'am She, our executive secretary. Moving along, kita nyo yung exit. Paglabas ng exit, there's the restroom for men, and then the restroom for females are on the left. This left door is our pantry. So if you see our pantry, medyo madami kaming coffee maker. So hindi naman halata na mahilig sa kape ang mga tao dito sa office. Okay, so going back out. So the other half is not yet lighted kasi wala pa namang tao. Energy saving kumbaga. Sabihin niyo wala ka sa office. Nasa office ako. So easy catching up ang mga cars natin. So this is temporarily my team. So di ba guys, sabi ko sa inyo kanina na may mangyayari sa office. So this is it. So dadalhin ko kayo doon. And by the way, ito yung mga taga Panda Express. Yung mga mababangis na mga area managers ng Panda Express. And that's Mark, si JC. Punta na tayo sa room guys. Ito yung dinaanan natin kaninang empty. Ngayon nandito na si Ma'am Rose, ang ating receptionist. Good morning! Say hi to the vlog! Hi!
Pwede tayo maupo. So this is not a very formal gathering, no? But this is just an introduction to, of course, we would like to give our warmest welcome to Sir Kaka. So inantay natin yung food very quickly lang. Let's have a introduction lang siguro, quick introduction lang one by one. So each will be given 2 minutes lang.
It's less about balancing, but more about enjoying and maximizing. Like with our children, you have 4. You will never have favorites. You all love them in different ways, and because we know that they all have their own talents and strengths, and we try to nurture where they're living. So my eldest is more on the art side, creative side. The other one naman is more on the sciences side, mahilig sa math and everything. So pag magkasama silang dalawa, medyo magkaiba. But we really just try to manage. I think ganun din for work. We just try to maximize and really try to nurture and bring out the best in the brands and also. I'm not the best, but always I try.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm here to help everyone. And like you say, actually your own music is at work or at home. I'm here to just, support whatever you are thinking of. Because when you succeed process, sabi ko sa NCAG natin, I'm your purpose. Whenever there are blockers or barriers, and I'm here to help. And I look forward to the crazy, the fun, the action.
So kasama natin si Ana at si She. Pupunta kami ng Mega Mall. Walking in the sunshine tayo mga guys. Ayan, looks like we're going to Yoshinoya. Kain tayo ng Japanese. This is located at the lower ground of SM Mega Mall Building A. Guys, just to give you a quick glimpse, ano ba ang nakakain sa Yoshinoya? Ayan guys. So we're mostly rice bowls. Merong beef, mostly beef. The best seller being the gyudon. We have chicken, we have pork, we also have tempura. You can buy in bentos. You can buy also ramen. Ano ako yung gyudon with green onions, tapos regular lang. And then ano ko ng miso, saka hindi naman yun dalawang value set na isang drink lang. Yeah. Pero yung drink ko, yung miso lemon. Galing umorder, guys. Alright, thank you. Hey guys, our new store. Order with gyudon with concept and miso lemonade. So almost all our orders are in the Pilipinas na. So, nakain mo lang kami. Let's join us and watch us as we eat. Okay guys, baka nagwa-wonder kayo magkano yung kinain ko. So bill check tayo. Ayan o, so may miso soup, may gyudon, may yuzu lemonade. Only for an affordable price of 380. Tapos, pag meron kayong beat card, automatic libre ang drink nyo. So madami pa kayong matitipid pag kumain kayo in Yoshinoya. There you have it guys. So that's one sample day ko pag nasa work ako, okay? So hindi naman laging ganyan kasi aside from going to the office, I also go on field. And sabi ko nga at the start of this vlog, merong happening sa office, no? So siguro learning for the day is that mahirap palang mag-vlog, no? When you're with people who are familiar or yung mga kakilala mo kasi andun yung hiya, so hindi ka pa comfortable and you don't know how people will react. So siguro this video is very raw. Kita-kita nyo naman parang halos walang storyline, no? But I guess it's part of the learning. So I'll take that learning today and hopefully in my next videos mas magiging better story, ang flow, and even ang delivery, no? So thank you very much for joining me today. So sa mga hindi pa nakakanood ng iba ko pang vlogs, mga teasers, mga short clips, I hope you watch them and I hope you like, you follow, and you subscribe. Bye! Thank you! See you around!